Rivercrest families. Tomorrow in math, the kids will be having a test over volume. So I was just going to go over a few of the skills that you may want to practice with them tonight to make sure that they're ready for volume. The first thing that they will have to do is be able to determine that the volume formula is length times width times height. And for this rectangular prism, the length would be your 5 inches. Your width would be the 4 inches. And your height would be the 6 inches. So you would multiply those. You would have 20 times 6 equals, and for the students who are still struggling a little with multiplication, don't forget that we can stack. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. So the volume would be 120. They will also be required to make sure that they label it with the proper units. And since our volume measurements were in inches, it would be inches. And since we're doing volume, it is cubic because it's three-dimensional. Three-dimensional would always be cubed, so they would need to make sure that they put their 3. Now, they will also have to be able to show another way that you can find volume. There's another way that you can find volume if you do the area of the base times height. And we've already talked about in class, they know that their base is what it's sitting on. And area is equal to length times width. So if I took the length times width to find the area of my base, I would have 5 times 4 would give me the 20 times the height is still going to give me 120. It didn't change what the volume is. They've just shown how they can solve it in a second way. They would also, if I asked them to label the area of the base, this was the area of the base. So since it is area, if I ask them to label the area of the base, area is two-dimensional, so it would be squared. So if I ask them for area, it would be squared. If I ask them for volume, it will be cubed. If you have any more questions, you can contact me on Remind 101, and I hope everyone has a great evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.